Hi, I'm Carson from Guys with Games, and today's game I call Dice Eraser. What I do when I come into class, I'll write 1 to 9 2 times. Usually if it's the first time we've ever played, I'll write a third set of 1 to 9. And this will be kind of like me, the teacher's example set. But how we play, it's a very simple game. So I use this for kindergarten classes or early beginners. There's not a lot of English involved. There's a little bit of math, beginner math, but also you can just have the students ask a question to play the game. But here's how it works. You need 2 dice, which I have here, 2 dice, and when it's their turn, they ask a question to the class answers, and then they roll both dice at the same time. So they roll a dice, and we add them up. 4 plus 1 is 5. Now, in that team, if I were on the red team, and again, this is just me, the teacher's example set. Normally, I would just play with blue and black, but I need to show them how to play. So 5, I need to erase 5 somehow. It can either be the number 5, or 2 numbers which add up to 5, or 3 numbers if it's possible. That, in this case, is not possible. I could erase 2 and 3, or I could erase 1 and 4, or I just erase the number 5, and then it becomes another student's turn. There are 2 ways to kind of win the game, and you, the teacher, need to tell the students your version before we play. You can either play until they keep rolling until they've eliminated their entire set, or you can keep going and rolling one at a time until they can't erase, until someone rolls something that they cannot delete. And then they're left with what remainder. I'll show you how it works. Let's get Dustin in here. We'll play. I'll be the black team and Dustin can be the blue team.
Okay, so are we taking turns? You do the whole set, and then I do the whole set?
What I do in my class is I'll have the black team go 1 time and the blue team will go 1 time. So it kind of, you can get a feel for how each team is doing.
Okay.
So you can go first. Okay. Roll 2 dice. And what do you got there?
4.
So you can choose. Do you want to erase 4 or 3 and 1? Now, in this game, the best strategy is to leave the little numbers alone. The kids like to erase them first because they can do a lot in 1 turn, but it becomes way more difficult. So I'll go, what I have, 8. I'll just erase 8. Okay, your turn, go ahead.
Okay, I rolled a 5 and a 2, so a 7, so I could erase the 5 over 2, or the 7.
Or 6 and 1, yeah.
Okay, I will do the 2 and 5.
Okay, my turn. So in the class, this would go to another guy, and he would ask a question, then he gets to go. Let's see. I rolled, oh no, a 2. Okay, bad. 1 and 1 is 2. So I have to delete this.
Okay, 4 and 5. So I have 9, so I can do 6 and 3.
6 and 3 or 9, yeah. Anyway. Or 8 and 1, I guess.
Yeah.
Okay.
I do my 1.
Well, 2 is the thing, if you roll snake eyes twice. So I have 4 and 1. Total 5, I'll delete the 5. Okay.
Okay, 4 and 1.
Okay, there's no way for him to delete this. So if I wanted the game to be over, I would just say, like, Dustin, you need to add up these points. So what's that, 25? He would have 25. I would need to have a remainder less than 25 to win. But the kids don't understand that. If they're really little, we just, okay, you didn't get to erase anything. It's my turn. You can keep going after this. So then I would go, let's see who wins this game here. 7, I'll take rid of this, okay?
Okay, 4 and 1 again.
Aha.
Nothing.
9. Ah, lucky me.
Okay, 5 and 3.
8. Okay. And then 3 and 1, 4. Oh, get rid of the 4. Okay.
I'm gonna roll a 16 here.
Good luck.
7.
Hey, lucky you. Oh no. Okay. 10 will win it for me. Let's see. No, 9. But, I can't. It will be impossible for me to roll it. So maybe this is a weird thing that's never happened when I played this game. What I could do, is have them delete this, and then they can choose if they just want to roll 1 dice next time. Otherwise, I'll never win. 8.
8. Nada.
Nothing. So I guess I'll just roll 1. Nope. Maybe.
10. I'm gonna pull a student's move.
10!
Ooh,
10 is!
Nice.
Cheater. Okay, so in this case he wins, and then I'm left with whatever. So maybe I would have these guys stand up and ask a question each, just as a reinforcement for like, okay, try to win the games and make the enjoyable part be something where they have to, speak some English to be able to play the game. But that's it, Dice Eraser. Thanks.